Hello dear students, one problem already we have studied based on equation reducible to a pair of linear equation. Now I am explaining you the second example of the same type. Here we can see children, it is given that half 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y, 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equals to 13 by 6. So this we will write. The meaning of this is what? 1 by 2 into 1 by x plus 1 by 3 into 1 by y. Meaning this step is not essential, children. To make you understand, I have written this step. Otherwise this step you can eliminate. Here 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y equals to 13 by 6. So here what we will assume as the different variable? Here 1 by x is there, children. So I can take let 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y equals to v. If I assume that, then what we will get here? U by 2 plus v by 3 equals to 2. And here I will get again u by 3 plus v by 2 equals to 13 by 6. After this we can solve this problem in two ways, either by taking the LCM or else you can, without taking the LCM, you can use any of the three methods, children. Mostly such problem elimination method only is used, but I feel that to make it easy, take LCM so that you can avoid the mistakes. Here LCM is 6, so I will get 3u plus 2v upon 6 equals to 2. So 3u plus 2v equals to 12. This I can name as 1. And this we will get as 2u plus 3v upon 6 equals to 13 by 6. 6 get cancelled, children. So you will have here as, I will write this equation here, 2u plus 3v equals to 13. This I will give as equation 2. Now if I see the equation 1 and equation 2, how are they? I will see the coefficient, means the coefficients are interchangeable. In the, I think, exercise 3.3, I have explained you when elimination method I have explained you. In that 3.3 or 3.4 something, if coefficients are interchanged, means you can use your add and subtract rule to make the problem more easier. If you don't want to use, then you have to use elimination by imagining or by considering yourself which variable you want to eliminate. Make their coefficients same and then you can use the elimination method. But to revise that method, I want to use here add and subtract rule. So if I want to use add and subtract rule, is first we will do addition. So what I will do on adding equation 1 and 2, here I used on adding equation 1 and 2. What I will get here if I will add equation 1 and 2? 5u plus 5v equals to 25. Then u plus v equals to 5. Then this is equation 3 we can give, children. Then I will subtract this addition over, I will subtract now. So now I will do equation 1 minus equation 2. So what I will get, children? 3u plus 2v equals to 12. 2u plus 3v equals to 13. I am going to use the subtraction now here. Plus 10 is to minus, plus 10 is to minus. So 3 minus 2 is u, plus 2 minus 3 is v, is minus v, equals to 12 minus 13 is minus 1. I got this equation as 4. Now I will solve equation 3 and 4 by any of the method and I will get the value of u or v. Again, if I complete that equation, it more better is the elimination. So I can use here elimination addition. So on adding equation 3 and 4. Here which method we have used? Elimination. And here we have used add and subtract rule. Okay. So if I use elimination method, that is equation 3, this is u plus v equals to 5. U minus v equals to minus 1. I am going to do the addition operation. So this get cancelled. 2u equals to 4 and u equals to 4 by 2 means 2. So I will substitute u equals to 2 in equation. Better to in third we will substitute equation 3. So we get u value I will substitute as 2 plus v equals to 5. V equals to 5 minus 2, that is equals to 3. So I got u equals to 2 and v equals to 3. But we require children the value of x and y. So where is x and y? Sometimes no, we will find here and required solution we will write. Don't forget in the question what is the variable given, that value we need to find children. So I can write here on resubstituting the value of u and v, we get, what was u and v? 1 by x equals to 2 and 1 by y equals to 3. Like that we can do. If I have not numbered here, means I can write this statement meaning the same children. So I will get here as, therefore I will transpose x here and 2 here, y there and 3 here. So I will get here x equals to 1 by 2 and y equals to 1 by 3. Now I got the actual variable value. So I can write that. Therefore, required solution is 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3. Hope you understood, children. So these are the two problems which I have explained you. And little more I will explain you, children, what you have to do, but you will do it by yourself. I will frame it in question number 3. If you will see, children, of NCERT textbook, here 4 by x plus 3y equals to 14 is there and 3x minus 4y equals to 23. Here y is properly given, it is not given in the denominator form. So we will not assume that value. Only we have to assume what? 1 by x. So let 1 by x equals to a, suppose you will assume. Then you will get here as 4a plus 3y equals to 14 and 3a minus 4y equals to 23. Then directly you solve that equation. Find the value of a and y. Y already you got. To get the value of x, you will resubstitute the value of x, whereas 1 by x equals to a you have taken. So you will get the value of x there. You have to resubstitute the value of a, where 1 by x equals to a you have taken, then you will get the value of x. So question number 1, 2, 3 that you need to solve, children. Again here just I am explaining how to convert. Those problems also you have to solve. Question number 4 you don't solve, children. 5th and 6th. 5th question here it is there. 7x minus 2y upon xy equals to 5. So what I will do here, 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy equals to 5. Then I will cancel xx here and yy here. So I will get here 7 by y minus 2 by x equals to 5. So now we can write here 1 by y equals to a, or write first minus here then plus there, that we also can do. And the second part of this is given as 8x plus 7y upon xy. Then you will get again here 8 by y plus 7 by x equals to 15. Then you can substitute 1 by y equals to a and 1 by x equals to b. Solve in this form. Then after that you have to do the resubstitution. Same way in question number 6th, children. I will explain you question number 6 also here. Just to understand, I am not rubbing this part. But question number 6 I will explain this area. 6th one I will take. Here it is given 6x plus 3y equals to 6xy. It means I will divide by xy throughout the equation. So if I divide with 6x upon xy, don't do by 6xy, do it by xy only, children. Okay. Plus 3y upon xy equals to 6 will come because 6xy, 6y it will get cancelled. So here xx again, here yy will get cancelled. So 6 by y plus 3 by x equals to 6. This is the first equation of 6th question. Second also you will do. Then you will solve it by double elimination method. You can use here how we have used those two problems. So today's homework is question number 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. And remaining that I will explain you tomorrow so that you will perfect this method. Then you will see the whole problem. Okay students? Thank you.